last topic that we have to discuss today, and that is the third means of communication according to our book, and it is called as fax. Fax, fax. For fax to take place, we require a fax machine on both the ends. This is a fax machine. You can also refer to your book, page number 92, to see a fax machine. So, this fax machine is required by both the sender and receiver. If you are able to see this thing coming out of the fax machine, this is a paper that has some message. For example, if I have to send you a question paper, just say that I have to send you an assignment for you to do at home. So if I'm using a fax machine from my end, from my place, then I will just put that paper in the fax machine. And then I will have to type the number of your fax machine. Fax machine has some numbers. So I will have to dial that number on my fax machine. That is your fax number. And then your fax machine will automatically generate the same paper that I sent from here. That paper will come out of your fax machine. So if I have sent you a question paper via my fax machine, and if this is your fax machine, then this is the same paper coming out of your fax machine that I sent from my place. So fax machine basically is used to send and receive paper, written, printed messages. Okay, so this is a fax machine, and this is also a fast mode of communication. It is not that slow, as it works via landlines only. It is also connected to some wires that goes underground, and then it is connected to the towers. So fax machine, this is the fax machine which is used to send printed messages only, just printed messages, printed, that are on a paper. But from mobile phone you can send any type of messages, written, text, photos, anything. And from telephone you cannot send any message, you can only make calls. So this is a telephone that needs wires, is connected via wire. We can make calls and is a fast mode of communication. Then we have mobile phone, 10-digit number, fast mode of communication. We can call, text, send photos, make video calls, do n number of things via mobile phone. It can also be connected to Wi-Fi. Telephone. These days telephones can also be connected to Wi-Fi, but not in all cases. But yes, there is a procedure to connect telephones to Wi-Fi. And the last one is a fax machine. Fax machine works via landline, means it requires wires, and it can send printed messages only. Printed messages. So this is all for the day from my end. Let's get back to the classroom and solve some exercises. Thank you.